Right, rod rest part finished. There we are, nicely finished. Down to there. There's the rod in it. Part of my barrow now, and it lifts off and on so easy. There we are. That's what we've made. Nicely done. Take that out of the way. Take that off. So you can see it. There we are. And to remove, it's just so easy. Just lift that up, and it's off. How about that then? And that's the brackets that I've made that fit onto the barrow. Can't go simpler than that, can you? Oh, look at that. Right, so that's all I did. Put that back on. Goes back on there. Just slide that forward a bit. These two hands here. There, that's a good fit. And that's what I've made. So now I don't need a rod pod because it's there, ready to rock and roll on the barrow. So I can take that down to the lake, fishing straight away, drop it on, and we're done. This is Dave signing off. Don't forget the bits at the bottom. One rod pod, and don't forget thumbs up and subscribe. That's a nice little easy one for you. The plastic fittings here came from the Plastic Box Company. You'll find it on the internet. They sell quite a few little odds and ends of fishing tackle. Dave sign off. Bye-byes. Whoosh, we're gone.